The Avatar Maker plugin provides a way to generate 3D avatars from one selfie photo and customize it right in the Unity editor. To get started using this plugin, just import it into an existing project. Open Window and then Avatar Maker. The corresponding window will appear. You can generate the avatar from an existing photo, or make a new one with a web camera. Let's take some photos. Calculation progress is shown at the bottom of the window. The generated avatar with a randomly chosen hairstyle will be placed into the open scene. There are 45 predefined hairstyles. You could try any of them. Choose the best looking one. Also, there are 62 blend shapes that support a wide range of facial expressions. You could move the sliders to apply them to the avatar. And make a smile, for example. The customized avatar with haircut could be exported into FBX files. Or into the OBJ files. Also, there is an option to create a prefab and use this avatar in other Unity scenes or projects. Thanks for watching.